Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing another decluttering series here on my channel, and this time we are going to skip the makeup collection and go right into my bathroom. And this one is going to be decluttering all of my hair products. So I'm going to show you all the hair products I have, throw away the ones that I don't need or don't use or don't like. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of the decluttering my hair products video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, go down and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. All my hair products I keep on this top little slide out drawer in my bathroom, and as you can see I can't even open it all the way anymore because it is just filled with crap. So we are going to go through, declutter, get rid of a whole bunch of this, and reorganize so we can kind of see the after. This is something that is a little confusing to me, is I own so many hair products, yet I am never one to use products on my hair, like ever. Like I just use shampoo and conditioner and that's it. Like I don't know why, I don't even know how this happened, I don't even know how I ended up with all this stuff, but we're gonna go through it and we're gonna get rid of it. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this product right here, and this is the Just for Men Mustache and Beard Hair Color Brush in Color Gel, and this is in the shade Real Black, and you're probably wondering what the heck I use this for. This is actually what I use on my eyebrows when I want to dye my eyebrows, because as you guys know, I do have black hair and my eyebrows are blonde because I'm naturally blonde. So I do use this to color my eyebrows. I will keep this just because I do that kind of often, just to make sure that my eyebrows are nice and dark. After I get microblading done though, I won't need this anymore, but for right now we are going to keep this product on hand. The next product is this one right here, and this is the Aveda Shampure dry shampoo, and as you can see it has my name on it just because a customer at work brought this for all the girls. So I do really like this dry shampoo. I like the powder dry shampoo. It just feels better to me than the aerosol stuff does. So I will keep this one just because this is a really good dry shampoo for me. The next product is a Johnson's baby powder, and I am going to keep this just because I literally just got this today. This can also be a really good option for dry shampoo, and it is the powder, so I do like that better than the aerosol stuff, so I will keep the baby powder. The next product I have is a teasing comb, and this one is from Sally's, and I will keep this. I don't tease my hair that often just because it is super damaging, but on those days where I occasionally do tease my hair, I will need one, so I will keep this product for sure. The next product is this Suave Keratin Infusion Salon Proven Heat Defense Leave-In Conditioner, and I've been using this stuff for years now. The main reason is because it has keratin in it, which is okay for your hair, I guess, if you use it in like small amounts, and I just really like the smell of it. But this one is quite old and I don't use it as much anymore, so I will probably retire this guy, but I really did like this product. And Suave, I personally really like their shampoo, so it's also a win for that too. But this one's just really old and almost empty, so I will get rid of that one. The next product is a Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo, and I actually do really like this dry shampoo, even though it is the aerosol one, and even though I don't really like the chalky feeling that it gives. This one I actually really did like. The main reason being is I liked the volume that it gave my hair. This one really made it look like that I teased my hair and it looked absolutely gorgeous, so I did like the shampoo. However, it is empty, so I don't even know why it's still sitting in here. So next we have another Suave product, and this one is the Sleek Anti-Frizz. This is just an anti-frizz cream. I honestly don't know why I have this, because I don't know. I don't even know why it's in here, but it's a pretty decently new. I mean, I have used probably like half of it, but yeah, I don't know why I have this. Maybe like, I don't know. I'll probably keep it just because it looks like I haven't used that much of it. So yeah, I don't really know. Maybe, because I don't really get frizzy hair that often, but maybe I bought this when I had like super frizzy hair. The next product, it looks like we have, yeah, another dry shampoo and another Suave product. This is the Suave Dry Shampoo in Moroccan Infusion. If you guys have ever tried the shampoo version of this stuff, it is amazing. It smells so freaking good. I really like this dry shampoo, but it is almost gone, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this one as well. Next, it looks like we have a Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray. This is just the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray, and I will keep this just because when I do straighten my hair, this will come in handy. The next product that I have in here is a Ketonic Hydration Interlink Keratin Mist, and this is a leave-in strengthening treatment for hair, I guess, and this is paraben free. I've had this for quite a long time and I actually really liked it, but I'll probably get rid of it just because it's quite old and I don't even know what the expiration date is on this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get rid of this because it doesn't smell good anymore and I've just had this for frickin' forever and I don't use it that much. Like, it's still more than half full. This little set that I just found on the bottom of my bathroom counter, Matrix Total Results Color Obsessed gift set, and this is just a shampoo, conditioner, and 2 Miracle Creator leave-in treatments, and I did just get this from my hair salon, so I am going to keep this. I'm actually going to put this in my shower right now because I don't have any shampoo at the moment, but this is what I use to keep my hair nice and black. My hairdresser uses Matrix Color on me, and she also recommends a Matrix product. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in here really quick. The next product is a box color and shine conditioner. You know how when you like box color your hair and it has like the hair color, and then when you take a shower you have to like rinse it out with a conditioner or whatever. So this is what one of these is. I don't even know how the hell this ended up in here. This is a L'Oreal Superior Preference Shine Color and Shine Conditioner. I'm gonna get rid of this because I definitely do not need one. The next product is another Suave hair product, and this is Flexible Control Curl Mousse, and I actually used to use this stuff all the time. I used to always mousse my hair, like I think it was like 2015. I did it all the time and I absolutely loved it. This kind of goes along with that one product that I showed you, that like anti-frizz stuff. So this is step 1 and this is step 3. I did really like this mousse, but I am going to get rid of it just because it's very old and I don't know what it's been doing sitting in the bottom of this can for so long. So I will get rid of this one for now. I might repurchase it just because I haven't moussed my hair in a really long time, and it just makes your hair smell really good. And if you don't feel like washing your hair, if you like mousse it for a few days, you can get away with like 3 days of not washing your hair. So fun little fact in case any of you didn't know that, but I will retire this guy for sure. Next, it looks like we have a John Frieda product in here, which I have not used John Frieda products since I was blonde. If you guys remember when I had like my platinum blonde hair, I used to use the John Frieda Go Blonder shampoo and conditioner. Well, this one is a John Frieda Full Repair, Reverses Damage with Every Use, Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. I have a ton of conditioner and I don't use conditioner on my hair that often anyways, so I don't really need this, which is really unfortunate because it looks like it's a new bottle. So I'll just put this in the maybe pile and maybe we'll use it. Next product, we have a bedhead product, and this looks like a Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray. And this is just a really big bottle of hairspray. I've had this for quite a long time as well, and I don't use hairspray that often. I'll probably just go and buy a smaller version of one because I don't need one this big at all. I'll probably, he'll go in the maybe pile. The next product that I have in here is one of the bigger bottles of the Matrix Total Results Color Obsessed. This is the conditioner. And I don't need this anymore because I did just get a new one, and this one feels pretty, I don't know, like it's almost like it's half full, but I don't need one because I just bought a whole new one, so I'll probably just get rid of this one. But it would have been really fucking nice if I knew that I had this because, I don't know, I really like this line. And then the very last product that we have in my little hair drawer is another dry shampoo. And this one is the Tresemme Fresh Start New Formula Volumizing Dry Shampoo. I really liked this when I first started using it, and then I discovered powder dry shampoos and no longer needed the aerosol one. So I'll probably get rid of this one just because I don't need it anymore. I have a bunch of other stuff that I can use. So yeah, I'll say goodbye to this guy. Alright guys, and that is everything for my hair drawer. It is officially empty, and I'm super proud of myself because we literally have such minimal hair products now. I am so proud of myself. So I'm going to quickly organize this and get it all reset up, and I will show you guys what it looks like after. Alright guys, and here's what it looks like after. As you can see, there is very minimal product in here. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 6 things in here. And that's including the teasing brush. If not, I literally only have 5 hair products in here, so not to toot my own horn, but that is pretty damn good. But I forgot to throw in the 2 little hair mask treatments, so I'll just go ahead and throw those right there and put the shampoo and conditioner in my shower right now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, doing this with me today. I think these are super fun to do. Really hope you guys are enjoying them. If you are, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on future ones. And I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys so, so much.